How to assemble the solderless patch cable DC cable kit. Cut desired cable length using scissors. Be sure to cut the cable straight and not on an angle. Remove the screw on the connector cap. Detach cap and firmly insert the cable. Replace the connector cap and tightly refasten the screw. Test each cable individually before wiring up your pedal board. Troubleshooting. If a cable is not working or there's loss of tone or volume, tighten the screw as firmly as possible until a connection is made. If that doesn't work, try backing the screw off a little. If there's still no connection, make sure the cable is cut straight and firmly inserted into the connector. For the cable assembling video, please search IVU Creator YouTube channel.